Hi, this is Dipen Gogoi, technical analyst of Allies Blue. I'll discuss about crude oil. So this is crude oil, 4-hour chart, and right now 2:34 p.m. So here we can see today market just opened a gap up, right? So let me show you here. This was 200 moving average, and after that they broke this one and just opened in a gap up, right? So according to the price action method, you can see here this was previous lower low, and they create lower high, and the next they create a lower high. Have you seen this one, lower high, and this was supporting by previous supporting point here. Have you seen this was support, and then now after that they broke this 200 moving average and created a new higher high, right? So here you can see this is a new higher high. So now big question is that, so in which direction we're gonna enter, right? So according to the price action method, they're creating higher high and higher low. That means they are placing uptrend, right? And the next you can see, if you wanna see the trend line, according to the trend line, they already broke that trend line. So let me draw the trend line here. So have you seen, I just connected this point and this point, right? They broke this trend line, right? Let me change the color. Okay, color, let me change the sky blue, right? They broke this trend line, right? Have you seen this trend line? I just connected this previous higher point and the higher point and their trend line breakout point, and now you can see they're forming a butterfly pattern. So it will be like that. So it will be a butterfly pattern, right? So our next target will be showing here, right? Our next target according to Fibonacci extension. Let me show you one thing. So I want to connect this point, right? So I just connected this wave. So you can see this is a point, and this is a B point, and this is a C point. That means retracement, and we need D point. That means extension. So if you wanna know about that one, so you just visit to our Allies Blue page and IQ page. So I'm explaining how to calculate. So we have seen the next target is 161. That means here, somewhere here, right? This is our resistance line, right? So it will be like some people are called like that. This is butterfly pattern, right? This is butterfly pattern, right? It will be like that, somewhere like that. It will be like a butterfly pattern, right? This is our target. So one thing we confirm that this is our target, so we will take only buy risk, right? So that is why we have to find out our entry point. For the entry, just let you go in a small time frame, just 15 minutes. Have you seen? So let me draw our target in a 4-hour, target point. So somewhere here we have seen our target according to Fibonacci, right? 161%. Is it or not? Let me check it once. Yeah, exactly. You can see 161% extension. Yeah, it is 4,112. So we have seen this is our target. Let's check in a small time frame, like 15 minutes, right? 15 minutes. You can see now price is running in a uptrend in a small time frame, like 15 minutes. So our target is 4112. So we'll close our position here. If now, where is our entry point? This is the big question, right? So if you wanna see the previous market behavior, the all moving averages are arranging sequentially, right? Sequentially they are arranging. This is 7. So I especially use for crossover, right? So here you can see crossover. That was our entry point in the uptrend, and it is 20, 50, 100, 150, and 200. All are sequence equally, right? Ascending order, right? Now if you see here, previous market behavior, the price was bouncing moving average 50. This yellow line, which is yellow line, you can see this is an exponential 50 EMA, right? EMA 50. This is called exponential moving average period 50. So previous market behavior, we have seen price was bouncing from 50 moving average. So for your entry point, we can use bouncing trading strategy. So if you are not able to understand what is the bouncing trading strategy, so you can visit to our YouTube channel. You will find how to trade with the bouncing trading strategy. That means here we have seen this is our 50 moving average heavy, right? It's running like that. That means bouncing trading strategy. That means we will place somewhere here buy order, right? Around here 3997 or 4000, around 4000 here. This is the 4000 point. So we'll here place a buy order, right? Buy limit order. Once market comes near 4000, automatically buy will execute. So that is called bouncing trading strategy, right? So if market comes here, automatically buy, and it will, our target will be here somewhere above this one, right? And we'll place our SL just below. You can see this was the previous supporting line, and around 3982 and 4000, that means 18 point below SL, 18, or you can say like 20 point below SL, and our target will be around 40, right? That means 1:1 our trading ratio, 1:1. That means we are this portion we can say like 1 hour, right? 1 hour, that means risk 1 and our target. So let me remove this one, then it comes. So suppose our entry point here, and this portion our SL, right? This is called 1 hour, just below this supporting line, and our target somewhere here near 40,000 is called 2 hour, right? That means if we are taking 20 point risk, and our profit will be 40 point, right? So let me check it once. This one. Okay, let me check it. So according to bouncing trading strategy, here automatically our buy order will execute here somewhere 20 point, our trading SL 20 point, and our 40 point somewhere here, 40 point exactly here, right? Near previous higher point. Have you seen? This is our target point, and we will close our position. So this is bouncing trading strategy. If sometime what happened in this market, the price never comes in this area, so sometimes they are start going up from this area. So that is why we have to use trend continue trading strategy. That's called trend continue trading strategy. So let me show you. Okay, so I want to connect this lower point, connect this lower point, and this is lower point. So you can see this is a higher point, lower point and lower point. I want to connect this area here. We can see this connect area. So sometime what happened, the price comes little more below like that, and after that they will create a candlestick pattern above this supporting line, right? Above this candlestick pattern, like it will be like that. You can say like that engulfing pattern, right? Engulfing pattern, or sometimes they are creating like a pin bar, or people will say like that head and shoulder, hammer pattern, sometimes one black crow pattern. Once they appear that type of pattern, suppose, and I'll show you like that, here they formed this pin bar, right? So if it appear like that candlestick pattern, you just place at least 5 to 6 point above buy order, right? 5 to 6 point above buy order, and place your SL just below that candlestick pattern, right? So that candlestick pattern, and your target will be twice then this distance. Suppose this distance will be 10 pips, and you can set your target 20 pips like that, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.